Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring a truly revolutionary platform called LocalBizAI, which is designed to help anyone, whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced entrepreneur, build a fully functional AI-powered agency from scratch. Imagine having your own digital marketing business, complete with a professional website, lead generation tools, automated service delivery, and client management, all running on autopilot. With LocalBizAI, you don't need to spend months learning coding, hiring a team, or figuring out complicated marketing strategies. The platform does most of the heavy lifting for you, allowing you to focus on growing your agency and generating real income. It's perfect for freelancers, small business owners, or anyone looking to start a profitable online business without the usual headaches. Before we dive into the full review, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on these game-changing tools. Also, check the link in the description below to access LocalBizAI and get started with your own AI-powered agency today. It is an innovative platform specifically built to empower entrepreneurs to enter the digital agency space quickly and efficiently. Unlike traditional agency setups, which require months of preparation, expensive tools, and a steep learning curve, it combines everything into a single, easy-to-use dashboard. It allows users to create multiple revenue streams by offering services to local businesses, all while leveraging AI to streamline tasks that would normally take hours or even days. What makes LocalBizAI stand out is its ability to integrate different aspects of agency operations into one system. From generating targeted leads and scoring them based on potential value to creating polished proposals and managing client interactions, the platform provides a seamless workflow. Users can focus on growth, outreach, and scaling their agency while the system automates repetitive and technical processes. Essentially, LocalBizAI turns the complex business of running an agency into a simplified, manageable, and highly profitable model. It comes packed with simple, yet incredibly powerful features that allow anyone to create revenue-generating, fully automated local marketing agencies for themselves or their clients. At its core, the platform includes an AI-powered agency website builder, which makes it possible to craft stunning, high-converting websites in just a few clicks. You can choose your niche, customize your site, preview it, and launch it on any domain. This feature alone transforms your business vision into a fully operational digital agency, ready to attract paying clients and generate recurring revenue. Lead generation is another area where it shines. The platform offers AI-powered prospecting and lead discovery tools that allow you to identify qualified businesses in your area and automatically score them based on conversion potential. Coupled with multi-platform data collection, digital presence analysis, and location-based targeting, this system ensures that you're connecting with warm leads who are primed to buy. By automating outreach, follow-ups, and proposals, this saves you countless hours while increasing your chances of closing high-value deals. When it comes to service offerings, it provides a multi-niche service library filled with high-demand solutions, including SEO, social media management, video creation, website design, and more. The platform also automates content creation with AI-generated social media posts, email campaigns, and even videos, helping your clients dominate their local market while you deliver results effortlessly. With integrated freelancer marketplaces and subscription billing systems, you can offer premium services without doing all the work yourself, while earning predictable recurring revenue. It also excels in client management and analytics. Its built-in CRM and real-time dashboard allow you to track leads, measure performance metrics, and manage all client interactions from a single interface. The platform includes role-based access controls, legal templates, custom pricing systems, and ad campaign templates, ensuring that your agency operates professionally, securely, and profitably. It's like having an entire marketing team and business operations department in one tool. Finally, the platform is designed for scalability and accessibility. With multi-language support, mobile and desktop-friendly design, cloud-based security, and around-the-clock updates, LocalBizAI ensures your agency can grow without limitations. Whether you're targeting multiple local niches, expanding into underserved markets, or managing a large client base, the system provides the tools and automation necessary to scale efficiently. Add in in-app training, thousands of templates, and comprehensive tutorials, and you have a platform that truly empowers you to build a thriving AI-powered agency from day one. It is designed to make starting and running a digital marketing agency incredibly simple. First, you can launch a complete AI-powered agency in just 2 clicks. By entering your preferred niche and location, the platform instantly generates a professional website complete with service offerings, pricing, portfolios, branding elements, testimonials, and case studies. Within minutes, your agency is live and ready to attract clients, complete with all the credibility markers that make local businesses eager to work with you. Next, the platform takes care of client acquisition through AI-powered discovery and outreach. It automatically identifies local businesses with poor digital presence and sends personalized campaigns highlighting their specific problems and the solutions you provide. This intelligent automation brings qualified leads directly to your agency, so you don't have to chase clients manually. Local businesses reach out to you, creating a steady flow of prospects who are ready to invest in your services. LocalBizAI handles service delivery and scaling effortlessly. The built-in fulfillment center manages all standard services like SEO audits, social media calendars, promotional videos, and website improvements, while the integrated freelancer marketplace covers custom requests. Once your agency is running smoothly, you can clone it across different niches and locations, building a network of automated agencies that generate recurring income. AI manages client acquisition, service fulfillment, and ongoing operations, allowing you to scale your business without additional effort. When you sign up for LocalBizAI today, you'll receive an incredible set of launch day bonuses designed to supercharge your agency and maximize your income potential. Bonus 1 article to voice creator allows you to easily convert any written content into human-like voice audio. In just minutes, you can turn blog posts, articles, or course materials into MP3 files, then repurpose them into videos or audio courses that can be sold for thousands of dollars. This tool requires no API keys or technical setup, making it effortless for anyone to monetize content instantly. Bonus 2 and Bonus 3 focus on traffic and SEO. Coursable Traffic Blaster automates Pinterest marketing, allowing you to create boards, publish content, and drive thousands of visitors daily, all on autopilot. Meanwhile, SEO Software Pro helps you track keyword rankings and optimize your content for maximum visibility in Google search results. Together, these tools ensure your agency and client campaigns get the exposure they need to generate leads and sales consistently. Finally, LocalBizAI also includes high-value business building bonuses. The commercial license upgrade lets you offer AI-generated podcasts as a service and retain 100% of the profits, while Red Carpet Live Training provides step-by-step guidance on launching and monetizing AI-powered podcasts, even if you've never done it before. Additionally, you'll get extra AI credits during this launch week, with setup and monthly fees waived, allowing you to access professional-grade features without extra cost. These bonuses alone can significantly accelerate your results and help you build a highly profitable agency from day one. It offers an incredible value with its premium offer, available today for a one-time payment of just $37. This package gives you full access to the commercial license, allowing you to sell your marketing services and AI-powered agency solutions to clients. You can create up to 100 agencies, generate thousands of leads via AI-powered prospecting, and deliver up to 10 different services automatically. From SEO and video marketing to website creation and social media management, this package equips you with everything needed to start a profitable digital agency without recurring monthly fees. For those looking for even more power and flexibility, the bundle offer includes LocalBizAI Premium along with Unlimited, Enterprise, Professional, Freelancer, Coaching, AI Offices, Click Agency, and Agency Reel packages, all for a one-time payment of $317. This bundle not only expands your capabilities, but also gives you access to multiple AI tools, premium features, and additional credits, allowing you to scale your agency faster and tap into multiple niches. Both offers include high-value bonuses like the article to voice creator, website traffic blaster, SEO software pro, commercial license, and free red carpet training. What makes LocalBizAI even more irresistible is its risk-free 14-day money-back guarantee, which ensures that you can try the platform with confidence. There are no hidden fees, no subscriptions, and no surprise costs, just a single investment that gives you lifetime access to cutting-edge AI tools, automated service delivery, lead generation, and a complete agency infrastructure. Whether you choose the $37 premium offer or the $317 bundle, you're getting a comprehensive solution that could easily pay for itself many times over as you build and scale your AI-powered marketing agency. And that's a wrap of our LocalBizAI review. This platform truly makes starting, managing, and scaling an AI-powered digital marketing agency easier than ever. From automated lead generation and AI-driven service delivery to full agency management tools, LocalBizAI gives you everything you need to launch a profitable business with minimal effort. If you've been looking for a way to break into the local marketing space or take your agency to the next level, this is the perfect opportunity to do so. Be sure to check the link in the description below to get instant access to LocalBizAI and grab all the amazing launch day bonuses before this special offer expires. With features like automated prospecting, multi-niche service delivery, AI-generated content, and a commercial license included, you're getting unmatched value for a one-time investment. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming reviews and tips on tools that help you make money online. I'll see you in the next one.